Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete your Spotify account. So let's get started. At first, we need to go to any browser and search for spotify.com. So now we are in the website and we need to click on this setting icon in the top right corner and scroll down and to support. Now we need to search for delete account. Here we can see an option closing your account and deleting your data. So let's tap on this and scroll down and we can see this option close your account and delete your data. So let's tap on this. So now if you finally tap on close my account and delete my data, your account will be closed and you can reactivate it within 7 days and cannot do that after 7 days. So this is it. This is how you can delete your Spotify account. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.